We have David and we have Bree and River over in the corner. So we are doing our blind taste testing of our favorite Thanksgiving sides. As we can see, we're just getting it set up here. In a minute, the girls are gonna come through. We're gonna find out who did the best Thanksgiving side. Okay, so we have Hailey, Erin and Sage. They are our tasters. So girls, you can pick your sides and then you're gonna give us a ranking as to which was the best. So our options were sausage and fennel stuffing, a green bean casserole, a potato casserole, and pigs in blanket. Hailey, what was your favorite? Number 4?
Pigs in a blanket.
Pigs in a blanket. Really sweet.
Is that you?
Okay, so here I am, where it all started, where James won the Thanksgiving competition of a side dish. However, I would argue it was an appetizer. And we're gonna let him win because he's not from here, but he better be glad that I wasn't present.